We'll walk you through the process of adding vertical scrolling credits using CapCut PC, whether you're making a short film, a YouTube video, or even a project for a special event. They're typically used to display the names of everyone involved in the production, such as directors, cast members, crew, and other contributors. So I have an example video in my timeline, but let's say this is your little movie, your school project, or whatever you need the credits for. We will now select the text option in CapCut, and then you'll want to add a simple text layer at the very end of your video. I will position my text layer right here. The next step is to either start writing the credits manually in the text box right here, but I've already prepared an example for this video using ChatGPT, so I will just copy this and then paste it into my text box in CapCut. I'll then drag the scale to the left side in order to make my credits a bit smaller. And you can then change the color, change the font, and other things. But I think that this looks okay, so I won't customize anything. What we now need to do is to go to the beginning of the text layer where our credits start, and then drag the beginning of your credits either at the center of the screen, or you can put them at the bottom. That depends on where you want your credits to start. Now scroll at the right side of the screen until you see the position option, and just add a keyframe for the position part. The little keyframe option is blue, which means that we had added our keyframes for the start of the credits. I'll then make the text layer a bit longer, and then I will drag the end of the text to the center of the screen. When I now play the credits, you can see that it will automatically scroll from the top to the bottom of the credits. One of the last things is to add a little animation at the beginning of the text, and I'll make the credits longer and move my ending keyframe at the end in order to make the text scroll a bit slower, because it's pretty fast. And this is the final result. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you soon.